Welcome to the TracTrac Event Manager, the quick and easy way to set up and manage your live tracking. Let's log in and see how we easily create a live tracking event. We access the event by clicking Edit in the events list. We then have the option to define the event name and the time zone of the event, but I will go straight to Races, the main menu for managing my races. In Races, I click the Create icon for creating a new race. I simply type the race name and the date the race takes place and click Save. My race then appears in the race list where I have a number of icons that gives me access to my race. The two most important ones are the Edit Race and Course icon and the Edit Entries icon. They both have a big 0 on a red background showing that at the moment there are no marks and no races associated to the race. I will start by creating the entries and I click the Edit Entries icon. I want to create a single entry and I click the Create Competitor icon. I then type in the long name that will appear in the leaderboard and the short name, in this case the sale number, that will appear on the label next to the icon on the map. I choose the nationality and press Save. I can then associate my competitor to a tracking device number and press the Add Entry to add it to the list of entries. I then continue in the same way until I have my complete list of entries. If I want to create multiple entries at a time, there are options for importing from, for example, CSV or from another race. When I have my complete list of entries, I go back to the menu Races. My race is now ready for tracking and I could start tracking by hitting the Start Track button. However, before starting, I would like to add marks to the course as well. So I click the Edit Race and Course icon. To the lower left, I have the marks of the race, and to the lower right, I have the available marks. At the moment, none. So I click Create Mark icon. I give my mark a name, in this case the start gate, and a short name to appear next to the mark on the map. Now the start gate is a gate consisting of two tracking devices, so I click Gate and then I click the tracking device to be associated with each mark and press Save. I continue in the same way until I have all the marks I need for my course. Then from the available marks, I drag the marks that I need for the race course. I put first the start gate, the win rate, and then the finish gate. And I then press Save. I now see in the race list that I have a race 1 consisting of 3 marks and 15 entries. I'm now ready for tracking, and to start tracking I just press the Start button. I can easily create any number of additional races by pressing the Duplicate Race icon. I choose how many duplicates I want to make, which dates the duplicates should be created for, and which elements to copy. I now have 5 races that are all ready to track. You can get access to more functions by pressing the Expand button to the right. But for the moment you really have all you need in order to do live tracking, so we'll close them down again. Good luck and enjoy live tracking.